Hi there, Leigh from Beat Coffee. Here I am, I'm back with some new cocktails. I've got 10 in the bank, so stay tuned. We'll do a lot more. But today, let's do one that's nice and easy and delicious. I've got some cold brew here, nitro, because I can. And we're gonna do a honeyed gin and tonic. So I'm gonna put a bit of liquefied honey in there. Look at that. Some gin. As usual, no measurements. And some tonic water. So let's, Swiss Army knife, can't go wrong. Beautiful, let's jazz it up with some tonic water. Oh, yeah, this is how it's gonna go. Anyway, I'm gonna taste this. Hang on, we might cut so I can clean it up a little bit, okay? All right, ready, set. Here it is, let's stir it up. I did take a taste in the break. But here's to you, here's to the next 10 cocktails with cold brew, Beat Coffee cold brew. Oh, and for those that remember from last series, that's bloody delicious.